Good morning. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday, everyone. We're back with a new video. This time we're looking at a task manager. You already saw a sneak peek in our last week's video. I kind of showed it as an example of what you can do with buttons. Now we're going to take a deeper look at this. And if you're interested in this template, then remember the link will be down in the description to be able to download it. And for my viewers, of course, this one's for free. So that's on me. So let's get right into it. In the task manager template, I went for like an autumn kind of cozy autumn vibe aesthetic. So we have orange accents everywhere, but apart from the aesthetic, the most important thing is obviously the functionality. So the way this system works is that when you have a new thing to do, you press add new task, it opens up a new window. You can call it something, whatever it is, like visit the doctor, and then you can add an area. So this one, for example, would probably be personal. The date, so for example, it might be tomorrow, you have the doctor's appointment. Priority, medium, and then so you can change anywhere between low and high. And then the status is not started for now. Now you can see it, the task that we add, visit the doctors, is in our upcoming section. So here we see an overview of everything that's going to happen in the next week. And then over here we have overdue. So for example, if we should have bought groceries yesterday, then it's not going to be an upcoming, but it's going to be an overdue. So we see, okay, these are tasks that we have to do because we've already passed the deadline. So that's the top section here. That's how all of that works. Here we have our areas. So we can go into any area, for example, personal. And then we see this board view of the tasks. And these are, of course, filtered by only personal tasks. So right now we can say, okay, we've bought the groceries, and this way it's easier to have a look at the status. So it's easier to also just drag things between the different statuses. So for example, if you have a lot to do for university, you have many tasks, you can see them all here at one glance and just drag them over wherever you need it to be. So that's this area section. Also, it's easy to add a new area, just press on new. And then just fill in the data, add a cover picture, and then filter by that new area that you created. And that's how that works. So I'm just gonna delete this. And then down here we have one more view, the calendar. So this is the same thing. You basically see all of your tasks again in one place, and you just see when you have to do it, which is just a nice way to view it. So in the upcoming, for example, you only see all the tasks for next week, but then if you would have tasks 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now or 2 months from now, you can see everything here. You can see the status, and if you wanted to, you could also go to properties and also show the area if you want to see what area that task is in. And that's basically the template. And one thing that I do that I want to show you is how to set up an automation. So this will make this template so much more powerful. It'll be so much easier to use. And I think this is something that makes me actually use this every day, because manually typing in every task is quite an arduous process. So a simple way to shorten this is by adding an automation. So the way I do that is the area. Okay, so I'll actually run you through the whole process of setting this up now. So we'll go into Google Calendar. We will watch events. It'll automatically connect to my Google Calendar there. Calendar. I'm gonna go on the primary calendar. Watch events by created date. Yes, that is correct. I'll put the limit up to 5. Okay. Then add another module with Notion, and then we will, let's see, where is it? Create a database item. There we are. And then I'm going to change to my personal Notion, enter database ID, search for that. Yeah, in this one, task manager. There it is, task database. Okay, it'll get the information from the database. and then we can fill in these. So this is summary, that's the title. Status, we'll assign not started, priority, medium. Start time is start. There we go. End time, don't want that. Okay. I press on OK. So I'll show you in this database now. When I press on run once, it'll get the information from Google Calendar, send it to Notion. When I come here, boom, upload video is right here. And then I can just assign the new task template, which will give it the tick. And then the area, this would be business for me. There we go. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope I could help out. I hope I could add some value to your life. And remember to subscribe. We're uploading every Wednesday, looking for new tips to save you time, stay organized, and get productive. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Bye.